How to delete suggested on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete suggested people on your Messenger app. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us get started. First of all, head over to your Messenger app. Now you will get the suggested people whenever you try to forward a message or simply try to search for someone. As you can see right here, I'm getting this suggested section. Now if you don't want it anymore and if you don't want people in there anymore, simply head over to the three lines on the top left, tap on settings, and you will see privacy and safety. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see hidden contacts under safety and well-being. Now tap on hidden contacts. After you tap on it, you will simply need to add the persons that you don't want in your suggested anymore. Now let's say I want to hide this. Let's say I want to hide this guy and this guy. Now after you have done that, if I go back here and simply tap on search, or if I try to forward a message, that person won't be there anymore. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.